If the Play Store is stuck on pending on your Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then here's what we can do in order to try to fix this issue. So first of all, if you have the Play Store opened, what you want to do is go to the background apps and you want to close the app. Next, we want to turn off every access to the internet, so turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. And then we want to go to settings, scroll down to additional settings, and then choose date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically, as well as the time zone. You want to make sure that these options are enabled. Even if you have the date and time set up manually, you want to turn it on just for now. And once these are enabled, what you can do now is turn on the mobile data and Wi-Fi as well. And then we can go to the Play Store and you can check if you can download the app that you have been trying to download. And if it still doesn't work, just restart your phone. Most of the time we can also just restart the phone in order to solve this issue. So perform the restart or reboot, and that's pretty much it. This is everything that we can do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!